MARQ CAPTAIN, getting started. Regatta Timer, based on your speed and distance to the starting line. Regatta Timer can help you determine the best moment to start sailing toward the starting line in a sailboat racing. First, go to Sail Race. Press Start. Set the starting line before the race. Select MARQ Port as you sail past the port starting line. Select MARQ Starboard as you sail past the starboard starting line. Return to the Regatta Timer. Press up and down to match the official countdown. Press Start to start the countdown. The countdown timer is in the center, and below it is your time to burn. When the burn time is positive, you will arrive at the starting line before the race starts. The seconds show how early you will be. When the burn time is negative, you will arrive at the starting line after the race starts. The seconds show how late you will be. When the number becomes 0, speed up toward the starting line and try to keep the number close to 0 and less than 0. Tack Assist. Tacking is very important in a sailboat racing. Based on your speed and course over ground, Tack Assist can help you identify wind shifting and tack in the right moment. First, go to Sail Race. Press down to go to Tack Assist and enter controls. If the wind is from the starboard side, calibrate starboard. If the wind is from the port side, calibrate port. After the calibration is done, you will see your current course and speed over ground. If the wind shifts and causes a lift, the arrow will point to the green zone. If the wind shifts and causes a header, the arrow will point to the red zone. To get the best lift estimate, enter a fixed tack angle before calibrating the port or starboard. Set your tack angle. Man overboard. When someone falls off into the water, hold the mop button immediately to mark the current location. Because a boat cannot be stopped right away, the function helps you quickly return to the mop location. Mop occurs, hold back immediately. Your current location is marked, and the navigation starts automatically. The watch shows the mop position, distance remaining, and mop direction.